going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm outside the headquarters doing a little work at the house, getting some things together so I can get ready to go do a service call. Want to give a small update to my black welders out there. Hey, we got to stick together, man. We got to stick together. I know you see what's going on out there. When you reach out to certain independent welders that not like us, they don't want to network with us. They don't want to mess with us. But once things get to going good, then they want to jump on our coattails or try to market with us or pity pack ride on what you got going on. See what's going on, bro. We got to stick together, sisters and brothers. So that's what we should start doing. And I'm just going to throw this out there. I'm not even with challenges, but I'm going to tell you what we need to start doing. We need to start networking with one another. We need to start interviewing one another. We need to start investing in one another. It ain't don't have to even be money. We got free phones. Free social media sites. You a welder, you a black welder. We need to start interviewing one another, pushing one another's websites, pushing one another's channels. Let's help one another grow. That's how we gonna get it. Stop trying to kiss their ass and trying to get in where you don't fit in, and let's create our own. That's how we gonna win this year. HogOn.